Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can create a meeting link in Microsoft Teams. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up your Microsoft Teams application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in over there. And after that, you'll be redirected to the home page of app. Here, all of your recent activity will be displayed. Now to create a meeting link, what you need to do is just tap on the calendar icon from the bottom icon tray. If you can't find it here, just simply tap on more icon and you'll be able to access it there. Just tap on it. Inside the events, select plus icon floating on the screen. Now name your meeting anything you like. And then just select done. After creating the meeting, just tap on it and share the meeting using any one of the embeds you like. You can either share it using a link or an invite. And after sharing the link, members can join the meeting through it. I'll show you the procedure on PC too. First of all, open up your Microsoft Teams application on your PC and make sure you are logged in inside it. And after logging in, click on calendar icon and then select new meeting. Name the meeting whatever you like and then just save it. After saving, just click on it, then copy the link using the dedicated button. You can share this link to anyone you would like to add as a member, and that's it. This is basically how you can create a meeting link in Microsoft Teams. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.